Hi Pisces, getting ready to do a general reading for you. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. You've got the Tower, the Page of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Temperance, the Emperor, Page of Wands, two pages, three major arcana so far, four major arcanas now, the Hermit, and King of Pentacles. Good, great cards, guys. But Pisces, what are you guys going through? Who put you through this energy of sleepless nights and anxiety? Something in the past really um, pushed you into a mental emotional turmoil. Could be related to your father's health for some of you, or could be related to your job, your boss. Probably for some of you, your jobs ended, like you were asked to leave, or you, after an emotional breakdown, you left and you had a disagreement with your boss or somebody. Or if it's not the case, then probably things ended with your father. Like, I hope not, but for some of you, you ended things, a relationship with your father, and probably moved out of your house or something like that. One of you was being very immature. Could be you, Pisces, could be your father, could be anybody in your life actually. But due to which this connection ended. I'm not seeing this as a love relationship because this is more to do with you and somebody who you consider a mentor, a father figure, somebody who is like a guiding light in your life. What I feel is that you regret your decision of moving out. If it's your story, then I think you're waiting for an opening or a chance to move back in, or resume communication with your father or somebody. Right now, because things are not moving, probably your father also isn't, or this boss or this mentor is still hurt by your actions. No matter who was at fault, you left, they left, and even if you want to reach out to them, your ego and even their ego comes into play over here. Probably they don't want to talk because they feel that you shouldn't have done it, and you being younger, you shouldn't have reacted it, even if they were wrong. I'm not saying they were right or you were wrong, because energies are fluid, and this is what I'm getting. Like, it's strong, very strong feeling that somebody who you considered as a father figure, who you respected, let you down in some way, and you had to leave. Now it could be a possibility that you have immersed yourself into work. You're doing stuff that involves you paying attention to your hands, your crafts, things like drawing, painting, carpentry, electronics, mechanics, something like that, where your hands are put to use. And you're not trying to stay in contact with anyone. You are isolating yourself, becoming going into the hermit mode, becoming all isolated about stuff. You want time to think basically. And I feel that when this communication happens, because you're waiting, probably they are also waiting for you to, reach out so that they can just let things go. And, whenever this happens, it's going to bring back balance, and probably you'll feel more at par. You'll feel um, stable, and you'll also feel really loved if and when this connection resumes. Right now, I feel this person who you had this disagreement with could have, you know, they're just, they don't want to come in contact with their feelings as well. They're feeling, even they have isolated themselves, even they have, given themselves this time to rest and not think about anything. They're also concentrating on stuff that probably they have inherited wealth, and they're concentrating on increasing that or saving it, or doing something with their property or something. This could be a disagreement regarding property. There could be a chance where you a possibility that you wanted to sell off an ancestral property, and your father put their foot down, and you guys had a argument or disagreement on that, and you ended up leaving your home. Anyway, whatever the case is going to become better. Um, so don't worry, but also don't take things for granted. If you feel that you should go and make up with your father, and let bygones be bygones, then do that. Because God knows, probably they are waiting for you to reach out, and they're holding back because they're afraid of your reaction. Yeah, big happy changes for those who had asked for a question regarding um, related to a general question, basically what's going to happen. These cards may or may not be directly related to the tarot, because I draw these cards as additional messages. So take it however it resonates with you guys. Don't let pride get in the way. Be bold and make the first move. You're very close to achieving your goal. As I mentioned that now these cards could be related to this reading, because they are very um, similar to what we were discussing about the tarot. So yeah, if as I mentioned, that probably you both have an ego issue with each other. Pride is coming in the way of your relationship. Don't let it. If you have to be the bigger person and make the first move, do it. Also, because if you reach out, you will get a positive reaction, Pisces. So make sure you don't let pride get in your way, because ego and pride ruin the most beautiful relationships. And people hold back because they really don't know how to react, and they're afraid of your reaction. So make sure whatever you do, you've thought it through, and don't take hasty decisions. Always consider the bigger picture, Pisces. Thank you for watching. Bye.